Okay, so first I'm installing Brew in my system. So you can either install as a package or run this command in your terminal. This will easily install. But if you are going to install with the package, go here and download this pkg file. Once it is downloaded, it will show a package installer. Once you complete the steps, the next steps you have to follow this. If you are using Apple Silicon, you have to add this line into your bash or whatever the terminal you are using. This, or if you are on Intel chip, you have to add this line. So as I am using this profile, so I added this line in my ZSHRC file, and then once you save it, save with X or WQ. I use X. Once you save it, you need to source this file, and once it is done, you can check whether Brew is installed or not. So you can use this command. So it's installed. Brew is installed. Now let's try to install MongoDB. Okay. I have installed MongoDB Compass already. So this is going to show UI representation of my database and tables. But I need to install the server also. So I'm installing that first. So with this command, we are going to add the MongoDB formula. I have ran this command. Now let's run re-update command. It's going to take some time. It's done. Let's go to next command. So once it is installed, we can continue to run the service. So with this command, we are going to run our service. Okay. Okay, so once you have installed MongoDB, okay, you can check the services. You need to start the service. Let's first see the services with this command, brew services list. You will see any of this service whichever MongoDB you have installed. I will start one of the service with this brew services start and the service name. Now when it is started, I can connect. Okay, you can provide this new connection name. This is the default connection. Okay, protocol or address and the port number. So you can connect, and it will create one of these new, and just double click on it and it will show you the database. Okay, also you can stop the services with stop command instead of stop. You won't be able to if fresh, you won't be able to connect to the service, to your MongoDB server. Okay, that's all you need to know how to install the server MongoDB in your MacOS. If there are any doubts, anything you want to clarify, or you have any questions on, you need something more, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.